Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Photos app and tap Albums to view organized photo groups. Scroll to Recently Deleted and open that album immediately. Recently Deleted holds items for 30 days before permanent deletion from the device. Tap Select and then pick the photo or photos you want to restore. After choosing them, tap Recover to move them back into your main library. If you recover multiple items, iOS restores metadata like time, location, and edits when available. If photos are missing on the device, sign into iCloud. Com and open photos from a browser. On iCloud, check Recently Deleted and recover items within 30 days just like on the phone. If the photos are not there, consider restoring the device from an iCloud backup dated before the deletion. Restoring from backup may replace current data, so confirm the backup date and size before proceeding. Use Finder or iTunes to restore from a computer backup when needed. If you delete a photo and act quickly, use the undo action to restore it immediately. You can shake the iPhone to trigger undo or use the 3-finger tap gesture to bring up undo controls. To prevent future loss, enable iCloud Photos so images sync across devices and survive local deletes within 30 days. Also enable 2-factor authentication for your Apple ID to secure backups. Finally, perform regular backups to iCloud or to a computer to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.